In this video, we're going to talk you through how to use the Reserve a Desk app for the UK office. First of all, make sure that you've got SOTI Snap downloaded and that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make sure that you're on the correct channel. To do that, tap the three dots in the top right hand corner and choose Manage Channels. From here, you can jump between your different channels, and if you haven't already added it, you can click the add button, and then it gives you the option to use the ID code we sent out in the email or the QR code that we sent out in the email. Now, as it happens, I already have the app and it's downloaded, ready for me to go. So I tap on the app, it'll load up, and we're welcomed on the home screen by four options. We've got booking for making a booking. We've got my bookings for viewing, editing and deleting your bookings. We've got the feedback option and we've got the help option. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a booking. So I tap on booking. First thing I need to do is enter my first name, last name, department and email. The good news is, as you can see, this saves the first time that you do it, which means that going forward you never have to re-enter that information. It's stored until you delete the app. If you then click next, we're presented with the date option and the floor option. So the first thing to do is select the date. So I'm going to go into the office on the 30th of March this year. So select that. And then I can choose between floor 1 or floor 2. And when you select your floor, it does actually alert you to how many desks are available. As we can see, there are 5 available on floor 1. And there is 6 available on floor 2. So we're going to book a desk on floor 2. So we hit choose a spot. We're now presented with the option of selecting which desk we wish. We have a little key for you. And this is a representation of the second floor at the office in the UK. And as you can see, the desks that are bookable are the ones with the white square and a number next to it. So in this case, I think I fancy the idea of desk 10. So all I do is I select desk 10. I'll get a little pop-up notification to let me know that's the desk I've selected. Click OK and then click reserve. And as you can see, that reservation has gone to the very top of my bookings. So we've now got desk 10 reserved, floor 2 on the 30th. If I needed to make an edit to that, or I needed to delete that entry, the 3 little dots next to each line, if we tap on that, it gives us the option to edit or delete. If I was to edit, it would just go back to the beginning and give me the option to rebook, change the date, change the floor and so on. In this case, I will change that actually. Yeah, let's do that all the way through. So actually I'm going to change it to the 29th and I'm going to choose a spot again. I'm going to go for desk 10 again and I'm going to reserve it. And as you can now see, that top entry is changed from the 30th to the 29th, which is what I wanted. If I need to delete an entry, so as you can see here, I'm now double booked on the 29th. If I tap the 3 dots and click delete, it will actually allow me to remove that booking and make that desk available to somebody else. And that's really important. If you do reserve a desk and then realise that you won't be coming in for any reason, do delete the record, because it then makes the desk available for somebody else. To go back to the home screen, if you tap the 3 lines in the top left hand corner, that brings up the menu. And if we click main dashboard, it brings us back to the beginning. Now, if this time round we were just physically coming in to delete a record or edit a record, we wouldn't need to go through the booking screen. We can go straight into my bookings and straight into that list. And again, we still have the option to edit or delete. And then if we go back to the main dashboard, we've got the help icon. When you click on that, you get this help video that just kind of guides you through using the application. And if you hit on feedback, you get the option to give us feedback, which we're really keen to get. Let us know how you get on with it. If you come across any issues, any bugs, anything like that, please do let us know through the feedback functionality. And that is it. Nice and easy. dead straightforward. And the great news is it means that going forward, if you're coming into the office and you don't have an assigned desk, you can now reserve a desk, and it just means that you know for certain that you will actually have a space to work when you come into the UK office, and that you're not going to have to share that space with anybody else. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.